Hey, hi, hello, this is Sampati watching Sampath Facts YouTube channel. This is a Redmi TV 32-inch HD resolution TV with Dolby Audio. I already made a video on this TV, you can check it out. Today is like I have received a update on this Redmi TV 32-inch smart TV that I will be explaining out. And if you are first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below and also follow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like, and let's begin the video. Go into the settings. In the additional settings you get this option, so tap on that. As you can see, I have already updated. It's in the installing stage and it's around like 793 MB, and here it shows like, let's see once again. As you can see, it's Redmi TV 32-inch model, not a 43-inch model. And as you can see, it shows improved system performance and also improved Miracast streaming and improved audio performance. Miracast streaming was not a problem for me, but it has given, and after like 800 MB it itself reboots. Don't turn off the TV or don't touch anything in the remote, it itself reboots. It takes 10 to 15 minutes. In my case it took 10 minutes. For downloading it took 10 minutes, that 800 MB, and later I have waited for extra 10 minutes. It reboots itself, and don't use remote till it boots completely. And if you are having any doubts regarding this Redmi TV 32-inch, feel free to comment down below. I will be answering them in YouTube section also. And if you want to follow me in the social media, you can follow it out. I will give the links to that in the description. And after updating, you need to wait and don't touch the remote as and when it reboots. After the update, wait for a while and then use the remote and it will work fine. What has improved after the update is like the audio is now working fine. Before the lyrics was not too much loud, but now it's balanced with the music, and that's how. And the user interface wise also, as you can see, the user interface also very good, responsive compared to previous update. It's little bit improved. I don't say it's huge difference, but definitely it's there a difference. And I also confirmed one thing, that in the additional settings you get device preferences. There I thought in the sound settings I would get any Dolby Audio toggle or like that. I confirmed in Twitter, they have confirmed me that there is no Dolby Audio toggle or anything like that. If you play such content which is in Dolby Audio, that will directly decode that in Dolby Audio and you will get that experience. And in detail Virtual-X you can turn on all the three. I have turned on all the three. The experience was good before also, now it's improved after the update. Like what I said, lyrics, the dialogues or vocals which were not that much audible, that was, the music was overpowering that vocals, but that is not the case. That has finally fixed. And one more thing is like, when I was watching like Hotstar or Prime Video and YouTube, the picture quality was little bit different from each app. One app is, it's an inconsistency of the colors. That has also been fixed now. And let me show you once again in the additional settings. You need to go into the device preferences, and in the picture settings, as you can see, I have kept movies and all the things are 50-50 level, and even the backlit is also made 50, that you can watch in the full review video also. I will be making another in-depth review after one more month. Let's see, long time what all the features they will add or what are the bugs we find. As of now it's fluid. For a 10 to 15,000 budget TV, it's really fluid, working fine. You need to have a very good internet connection, then only you will get maximum benefit of this Redmi Smart TV 32-inch. And also you need not to sit very close to the TV, since it's a 720 panel. For also considering the eye health of you should take at least 1.5 times, like some 1.5 to 2 meters away from the TV for this 32-inch TV. Then it will be very good experience in my opinion. That's what I am loving this TV. I have played like Free Guy in Hotstar and Amazon Prime Video, something like the Tomorrow War. I was watching little bit. The experience was really good. Also used Bluetooth earbuds, that was also working fine, no lip sync or anything like that. That is really good in my opinion for a budget smart TV. And sound settings also I explained, and nothing new I have noticed here. If you found anything, do comment down below. And how is the experience with this TV in reality with you? Do also mention it out. And it's fluid, definitely the update has been received. It was like around 800 MB, but overall system UI performance is smooth, and there are lots of apps. Let me show you in the Google Play Store. There are plenty of apps, you can download it. If you have a subscription, definitely you can utilize them using this Play Store. There are plenty of apps, as you can see, and just recommend it for you. As you can see, it's n number of apps. Just scroll. And the remote experience was also really good before the update or after the update. After the update, it doesn't make any difference. The remote was really good, but it just makes sound. That's the one thing, but it works really well. I doesn't have any pain or anything like that. That's all guys in this video. The update has bring some improvements, not any changes. Definitely has been improved. That's the one thing I have noticed in this Redmi Smart TV after that 800 MB update. And if you like the video, give it a like, and if you are still not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe down below, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like, and thank you for watching guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video in my channel. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.